Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites. This is your host, Chef Walter. The topic in this episode is about checking the dates on the food that you buy. And let's begin by saying that to check the dates on food, always look for labels like best before for peak quality, or use by, the safety deadline, or sell by, usually reserved to stores. Dates are usually printed in formats like months, days, and years, and they can be found on top, bottom, or on the side of the packaging, especially near the barcodes on perishables like dairy and meat products. For canned or bottled goods, check the lid or the label, and for bread or snacks, look for printed dates on the bag or the clips. And even if a product is past its date, assess its safety by checking for questionable smell, mold, discoloration, or texture, which often is found in slimy meats, cold cuts, and curdled milk. Bulging cans or leaking packages are a red flag as well, as you know. The proper storage also affects the shelf life. Refrigerated items spoil faster if they're not kept cold, while dry goods like rice, legumes, and pasta, they will last longer when they are sealed tightly. And when in doubt, always trust your senses of the date, as many food remain safe behind the labels once they are stored correctly. Lastly, for those hard-to-find codes, such as lot numbers, check the manufacturer website for the coding guides and other suggestions that they may offer. It is imperative to safeguard yourself and your family and to contribute to a sustainable philosophy while saving money for the unnecessary waste. And that is something that we can all use, I'm sure. I'll check back with you next time for more tips and suggestions on Quick Bites. Eat well.